Stop washing. Stop rushing. Enjoy the holiday season by letting your robot do your cleaning. Yep, think of the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone as Santa's little helper.
I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and in this video I'm going to look at 5 ways a robot vacuum, like the all-new DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone here, can help save you time and stress. And with Black Friday pricing, you may just want to get one before Christmas. I would like to say thank you to ECOVACS for being an ongoing sponsor of my channel. While the company did sponsor this video, these thoughts are all my own.
We've all been there. Last-minute guests want to pop by to drop off a gift. Naturally, they'll stay for a cup of cheer. But if your house is less than reception-worthy, you can put your DEEBOT to work. As soon as you hang up the phone, just tap the app to start a clean. The ECOVACS X11 OmniCyclone can wipe up the floors while you whip up the appies. Set it to do either a quick clean or a deep scrub, depending how much time you've got. If you're short on time, that's when you can count on the Osmo roller mop to get those floors cleaned well fast. With a new reinforced high-density nylon mop roller that scrubs away tough dried-on stains better than ever, plus AI-powered stain detection and the new double effect clean solutions tank that automatically adds the right cleaner for the right situation, you're getting a lot of clean without you needing to work.
Plus, if you have a larger home, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone can keep right on cleaning without needing to stop for a lengthy recharge.
Thanks to Power Boost GAN fast charging, each time it goes back to the base station to empty its onboard dustbin, it'll get a power top-up too, kind of like Santa getting a power-up from milk and cookies on Christmas night. And Power Boost charging means you can have the entire floor cleaned before your guests arrive.
Around the holidays, tasks always seem to multiply, whether it's dinners at home when it's too cold to go out, or the extra mess created by the holiday cookie exchange. Having a robot floor cleaner on standby means you can automate the cleaning and never need to think about it all season long.
With easy scheduling in the ECOVACS app, you can set your DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone to automatically go out after supper time and do either a sweep or a vacuum and mop of your kitchen every evening. This goes a long way to cutting down on accumulated dirt that you have to deal with on the weekend. Yep, your robot is literally set it and forget it. And of course, if you ever do need an extra tidy, just tap the app to send your bot all over the house or have it focus on one specific location. Got flour and oatmeal from those cookies all over the work triangle? Your robot will have it cleaned up in minutes. It never fails. As soon as the leaves fall off the trees, those north winds blow them inside the door. And if it's something you're only noticing as you're stepping out, why not ask the built-in ECOVACS voice assistant named Yiko to start the clean for you?
Okay, Yiko, clean the front hallway.
Yiko is your hands-free helper, all the smarts of a digital assistant without the need for extra speakers or services. By the time you come home, the mess is gone. And if you have a home with pets, you know the shedding doesn't stop when the snow starts. To keep pet hair from accumulating, run your DEEBOT each morning. That goes a long way towards ensuring messes don't add up. Unboxing those holiday decorations always leaves a trail, bits of pine needles, glitter, stray ornament hooks, and cardboard dust.
In years past, I've had to haul out the vacuum to make sure I get all the corners, nooks, and crannies.
But with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, after I set up the tree, I can relax and let my robot vacuum clean up, saving me the hassle of dragging out a full-size vacuum after an already long day. One of the reasons it's so effective? TrueEdge 3.0. This lets the robot glide along walls and get deep into corners, and it means it can pick up debris easily, whether it's in the middle of the floor or tucked under the toe kicks.
Once your party guests are gone, don't you just want to start winding down instead of tackling crumbs, confetti, pine needles, and wine drips? You can get your rest and have clean floors all at the same time.
With the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, you can actually adjust its suction power, which can drastically reduce the noise. Just before you head to bed, open up the app and adjust the power to low, then send your robot on an overnight cleaning mission, one that won't disturb you. You can wake up to vacuumed and freshly mopped floors, even if you still have that stack of dishes to deal with. If you want to learn more about the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, head to ecovacs.com and don't forget to check for special pricing and offers in the description box.